In question 4, the problem statement says that draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. So we have to draw a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but in which exactly two opposite angles are equal. This is a very interesting question because it helps you understand that in a quadrilateral, just one pair of opposite angles being equal does not guarantee that the quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. Okay, so to help you visualize and deeply understand the solution of this problem, I'm going to use a simulation from QMath Leap, and we are going to draw a quadrilateral ABCD. We are going to draw a quadrilateral ABCD that's not a parallelogram. So it should not be a parallelogram, in which angle A is equal to angle C. So the opposite angles A and C are equal. So we are going to draw such a quadrilateral. So first take the vertex A anywhere in the plane like this and draw a ray AP through A like this. Then draw another ray AQ through A, and this gives you a certain angle at the point A. So right now this angle is 75.5 degrees. Now we want the angle at vertex C to be the same as this angle at vertex A. So next take the vertex C to be anywhere in the plane. So here I've taken the vertex C, and now draw a ray CX through C. So through C we draw a ray CX like this, and next draw another ray CY through C which is inclined to CX at the same angle as the angle at A. So through C I'm going to draw a ray CY which is inclined to CX at the same angle, in this case 75.5 degrees, as the angle at A. And now label the two new points of intersection as B and D, and complete the quadrilateral ABCD. So draw the quadrilateral ABCD, and we now see that ABCD is a quadrilateral in which angle A is equal to angle C, and clearly ABCD is not a parallelogram. So this is an example of a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite angles are equal, but the quadrilateral itself is not a parallelogram. Now let me show you a couple of cool things using this simulation. First, let me change the angle at A. So if I move around the point Q, I can change the angle at A, and this also changes the angle at C, and it keeps the angle at C equal to the angle at A. But we see that ABCD in general, it continues to be a non-parallelogram. Similarly, now let me move around the vertex C without changing the angle at C. So if I move around the vertex C like this, angle A and angle C remain equal, and once again we can see that ABCD in general is not a parallelogram. And let me now keep the point C where it is, but let me move the ray CX so that CX and CY both change, and we can see that the angle at C continues to be equal to the angle at A, but in general ABCD is not a parallelogram. So let me reiterate once again that what this question really shows us, and what this question is really about, is that in a quadrilateral, just one pair of opposite angles being equal does not guarantee that the quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. In this case, for example, we saw so many different examples of angle A and angle C being equal, and yet ABCD is not a parallelogram. So this completes our discussion of the current question. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.